Nigga found my screwdriver.
Oh, I've been found that. It was under that seat.
That ass?
Yeah. Nigga, I think we're doing a whole photo shoot right now.
It's cold, nigga.
Oh.
Nigga
That's how that nigga went to court. Nigga thought he was going to a fashion show.
You was in court?
Yeah.
For what? The license plate?
No.
Fighting a ticket.
A ticket, nigga.
Order that they on your friends. Trophy, you running in like beans. Got a little bit that came up from nothing. We shopping in London, they doing it big. Since I've been making donations, see you like you not.
What's good, YouTube? We're here, man. We outside. It's kind of cold, but my boy Danny here, he finally got his car back. It's not hot, it's cold. Finally got his car back. So we're gonna do a couple things to it. He got a front lip. I think we're gonna put on some side skirt, and I appreciate you, bro. And I think we gotta fix something else too. But we're here at AutoZone now. We're gonna get something for the rims because his car's mad dirty. I think how long has it been away, bro? For like 2 months? Huh? Like 2 months, bro. He hasn't been driving it, so he got it back finally. And we were gonna do some stuff to it, so it's over here though. Right over here somewhere. It's called rim cleaner, rim something. It's tire. Oh, right there. Oh, we cleaning shits. Yeah, bro.
I thought it was like the purple spray.
It is. When you spray that, it turns purple. This is what we whipping today, guys. We're in the S3.
Nigga, don't show that.
Shit broke it. Bro, look, these rims is filthy, bro. We're gonna get that fixed though. This shit is dirty. We're gonna get this car looking clean again, man. Red interior and everything. Bro, take it easy, bro, please. He was wildin', bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not trying to go to jail, bro. Nigga just came back from court. He's trying to go right back.
Ay, Dios mío, y mi mamá llorando, y me hacen así.
Bedroom cleaner right here. Yeah. All the black shit is mostly I think it's like a tie, right? And in for a wash it goes, boys.
Yeah, the back one is OD.
You know, got to the foam. She looks so little. It's like right there. Yeah, it's gonna come out pretty clean. Yeah, so we just put this wing on right here. My boy was lacking on the wing part. Not looking alright, you know what I'm saying? So now we're about to switch his badge right here from this ugly ass metallic, silver ugly ass color to the chrome to black. Shut up, bitch. Alright, let's get this shit. We just finished taking that shit off, bro. That shit's wild. Try to take off as much as you can with your hand like that. And then we just use the glue gun for whatever's left a little bit. This is the tedious part, my nigga. This should be taking mad long doing this shit. I already want to be mad extra. Like, make that shit already black, stupid. Nobody gonna keep that shit chrome. Just roll it against each other. It's the easiest way. It's taking adhesive thing be taking mad long, bro. Oh, you got that shit too? I'll be using that same disinfectant thing for the cleaning inside. That shit's clean, boy. 30,000 hours later, but we got it nice and clean though. Now I better put that new badge on. You see it?
Bitch, call your daddy. Bitch, don't call me.
This already is with the sticky thingy?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, here we go. New and improved. Black badge. It looks alright.
I need this black. Fuck.
The S3, where you gotta get that shit black too. With the red, this black, but this red.
Gray. I want the gray one so it matches the car.
Nah, cause then you need something like that.
Nah, there's a girl that has it. She has the lavender one. Like, I'm about to show you.
And it looks better than this.
What?
I don't know why.
The car,
I like the red and black. It's not. Oh, it's the color. I thought it was just like open or some shit.
Nah, they have it black and then it matches the. She got it matching the color. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. So nice.
Nigga said zip ties on the Audi is crazy.
Who said that?
Jason.
Oh shit, it's falling apart. Yeah. Okay. This is low-key pissing me off though.
Yeah, me too. Oh, fuck it.
Alright. Next thing, bruh. Alright, you guys. So far, we just got this front lip installed. This is not a DUI. What is it? DUI? DYU? What is this shit? DIY.
I forgot too.
Yeah, this is not a DIY video, so I just want to show you guys what we're doing right now. This is a S3 2020 S3. We just put in some front lip right now. We just put that back badge that I showed you guys earlier, and then I think we got some little side skirts for the back and all that. So we just grinding right now, bro. I don't got that much battery in the camera, but just keeping you guys posted on what's going on. So let's finish this. I'm gonna see you in a few. We just finished dressing this S3, man, 2020. We got a couple more things we're gonna do to it, but for today, I think that's gonna be it. We ran out of money, so this is what we got right now.
OD niggas ran out of money.
Niggas ran out of money, right?
Drop it.
Drop it down to the floor like a belly on a baby. Word. Yeah, look at this side. That shit alright though. It gives it like a little look. It's nothing crazy, but you know, it changes the car a bit. You know, the little things, man. You like the car or some shit?
Nah. Wow.
Oh, there you go. Gang
You
shit.
take it out.
Nigga said, get in the trunk, nigga.
Okay, everybody in the trunk. Get in the trunk, Danny. You see you fit?
Nigga, Randy bigger than me. Nigga, I probably look like a f***ing baby in this.
Yeah,
Some cheeks
bro,
right here.
when I fold those seats down, bro, that thing becomes huge. Imagine that. When they go all the way down, this is a whole freaking... I'm about to do a video.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Instead of being in the car when you bust some cheeks,
Yeah,
you
you
gotta go
just
somewhere where
put him in the back. Nigga said, yo, just hop on top.
So guys, look, this is what we did. We put this to black instead of the gloss. We fixed his spoiler thingy. Well, that dude scared the hell out of me. We added this little side skirt right here. And then the last thing we did was the front. We got the front lip looking nice. Now it looks more aggressive, bro. It looks more mean, bro. Yo, it's a sweater look. That shit look a little tight on you, bro. You look a little tight. Okay, shit. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It wasn't nothing crazy, but you know, we got to drive around a little bit. This dude is crazy, bro. I'm not riding with him, bro. This nigga almost, bro, this nigga stupid. Es un loco, manejando. This nigga almost killed us, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, all that cool stuff, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.